In this video, we will talk about the extension of animal which has been finished in the world, but they are present at some places. Now we are talking about the extension animal. Please wait some time, we are going to the video and telling to you. Animal extension may be caused by natural occurrences such as climate changing or cooling or changing in sea levels. In more modern times, however, human activity has been blamed to habitat destruction as farming, land expands and forests are cut down is the main cause of modern extension. Along with pollution, the introduction of alien species and overfishing or hunting. However, climate change is the thought to be the driving extension. Here are 10 incredible animals that are now extinct. The West African black rhinoceros was found in several countries towards the southeast region of Africa, measuring 3.8 meters long and 1.4 meters in height. This rhino would have weighed 800 to 1.300 kg. It had two horns, one measuring 1.3 meters and the other between 2.50 cm. Their diet includes leafy plants and some believe their horns had medicinal properties, though this has no grounding in scientific fact, which lead to heavy poaching. In the 1930s, preservation action was taken to protect the species, but the numbers continue to decline. The last Western African black rhino was seen in Cameroon in 2006. It was declared officially extinct in 2011. White dolphin. White dolphin, also called the China River dolphin, can only be found in the Yangtze River in China. These mammals could grow to 8 feet long and weigh up to a quarter of a ton. They relied on echolocations to navigate and hunt for prey due to their teeny eyes and very poor eyesight, living in the Yangtze for 20 million years. Their numbers declined drastically from 150 onward as China industrialized. The river was used for fishing, transportation and hydroelectricity, which had huge effects on the mammals. Although not officially recorded as extant, no one has seen in river dolphin since 2002. 0.8 Pyrenean ibex. 0.8 ibex, one of the 4 subspecies of the Spanish ibex goat that was found in the Iberian Peninsula. The ibex would grow to a height of 60 to 66 centimeters at the shoulder and weigh 24 to 80 kg and fed mainly on grass and herbage. Were thought to have numbered 5,000 historically, but they are barely 1,900. Its number has fallen to fewer than 100. The exact causes of the ibex extinction is unknown. Scientific belief factors included poaching and the inability to compete with other mammals for food and habitat. The last ibex was killed by a falling tree in northern Spain in 2000. Passenger pigeon. 0.7. Native to North America, the passenger or wild pigeon has been extinct since the early 20th century. It is estimated that between 3 and 5 billion passenger pigeons inhabited the US when Europeans arrived in North America, but their settlement led to the mass deforestation, resulting in habitat loss and a reduction in the bird population. By the 19th century, pigeon meat was commercialized as a cheap food for the poor, which resulted in hunting on a massive scale. The passenger pigeon died out in the wild by around 1900, with the last known individual dying in captivity in 1914. Tasmanian tiger, native to Australia, Tasmania and New Guinea, the Tasmanian tiger was a large carnivorous marsupial not related to tiger. The creature had the appearance of a medium to large size dog. It weighed 30 kg with a nose to tail length of almost 2 meters, but dark stripes give it a tiger-like appearance. It is believed to have been haunted to extinction. This was encouraged by bounties, but human encroachment into its habitat, the introduction of dogs and disease could also have contributed. The last will Tasmanian tiger was killed between 1920. The last captive one dying in Average Zoo, 1950. Point 5. Sea cow, named after Jared Wheeler, a naturalist who discovered the creature in 1741. Steller sea cow was a large herbivorous mammal. It is believed that the Steller cow, which grew to at least 8 to 9 meters and weighed around 8 to 10 tons, inhabited the Near Island south of Alaska and the Commander Island in the Bering Sea. It is believed that the mammal was tame and spent most of its time eating kelp. This and the fact that it was unable to submerge its enormous body is positive but made it vulnerable to human hunters. Point 4. Great Auk, a large and flightless bird found in the North Atlantic and as far south as northern Spain. It had an average height of 75 to 85 centimeters and weighed about 5 kg. The Great Auk was a powerful swimmer, which helped it to hunt underwater for food. The last colony of auk lived on the island of Elde, and by 1835 they had all been killed. The last of these was killed by 3 men who caught it on St. Helena, Spartan in 1844. When a large storm surged dodo. Point 3. An extended flightless bird that inhabited Mauritius. The dodo was about 1 meter tall and many have weighted 10 to 18 kg. The only account we have of the dodo appearance is through various illustrations and written accounts from the 17th century, so its appearance remains unresolved. It is presumed that the bird becomes flightless due to the availability of abundant food source, seeds, roots, and fallen fruit, and a relative absence of predator. Dutch sailors first recorded a mention of the dodo in 1598. The bird was haunted to extinction by sailors and their domesticated animal and invasive species. The last widely accepted sighting of the dodo was in 1662. Mammoth. Point 2. Enormous mammal believed to be closely related to the modern-day elephant. Its ancestor migrated out of Africa about 3.5 million years ago. The spreading across northern Eurasia and North America, the creature was over 4 meters tall and could weigh over 6 tons. They were covered in fur and their covered tusks could easily be up to 5 meters long. The woolly mammoth eventually disappeared 1,000 years ago, through a combination of unchanged by humans and the disappearance of its habitat through climate change. The last of isolated woolly mammoth population is believed to have vanished from Iceland in the Arctic Ocean around 1700 BC. Point 1. Saber-toothed cat. Often called saber-toothed tigers or saber-toothed lions, they existed 55 million to 11,700 years ago. Saber-toothed cats were carnivores named for the elongated blade-like canine teeth. Species were up to 3 cm long. White bear-like males were believed to be accident-haunted animals such as sloth and mammoth. Felines could open their jaw at an angle of 120 degrees, almost twice as wide as the modern lion. Let us believe that the cyber extension may be linked to the decline and extension of the large herbivores they haunted. Other explanations include climate change and competition with hunters. This was the list of the animals who have been extincted from the world. This is the more important and more valuable consideration in this video which I have presented before you for that information. I have also talked about this matter before you that World Informative Channel is a biography about the general knowledge and much more about the world. So please share this channel to view this channel and talk about this channel. Thank you for watching. We shall meet again.